This is my four-wheeler or quad. It's a Viarelli Aggressa 250cc, and this is also a quad. FPV drone.
Hey.
Show it.
This thing. The iFlight Protect 35.
This is my brother. He
Sinoop.
needs some help to understand where the camera is.
I'm stupid. Sinoop, made for cinematic flying and filming, basically chasing people on
Quads.
quads, for example.
So,
Yes.
we are gonna do a cinematic video today.
Yes.
I haven't told you about the idea. I just thought we're gonna film.
We're gonna film, yeah.
But we're gonna film with my GoPro there. And I have a bunch of little
Accessories,
accessories.
mounts,
Yeah.
things like that.
So we're gonna make a nice
Cinematic video.
cinematic video. We're gonna use and we're gonna put it. This is gonna be like behind the scenes of making it. So we're gonna
Yes.
film with one camera at the time.
Men kör inte då.
Jo. Man tar hela dagen på så vi passar
Nej.
på med så bra ljus.
Nu blir det lite jag som styr vad som händer här, egentligen.
Ja.
Har vi något att starta från?
Taket på trakt.
Funkar.
Om du inte blåser bort alla prylar på flak.
Nej då, det är ingen fara.
Nu får du förklara vad vi ska göra.
Yes. So we are just going to...
Du får börja om när jag är färdig bort.
Ja, men alltså Alfred, när kommer bli varm? Jag behöver köra direkt.
Men vadå då? Du får väl behöver inte plugga i han. Berätta först.
Ja, so we are just gonna... I'm gonna fly high up. And then he's just gonna come driving down the road and I'm gonna dive down on him. And chase him down. That's the plan.
So, we got some videos after I got the drone in my hand.
Yes.
And I almost ran it over. But we got the video and I think we're gonna check it.
Oh. Gräsmos.
Yeah.
Ja.
We're just gonna check the video. The drone gonna be charged. Apparently has a very bad battery time.
Yep. So heavy. Got a big battery and a big camera. Flies like
Bad
shit.
drone.
Flies like shit with all this weight.
No camera, does it fly better without the camera?
Without action camera? Yes, much better.
Have you tried?
Yes.
Yeah.
My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, off views, that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. Off my views, that's on you. I'll be on a flight soon to the end. I sing you. Gotta know all this propaganda. How do you do? Better that I like my own medicine for you. Never gonna make them think I'll stand there. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know I lose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. And I don't know I lose. Don't mind if I do. Free as the wind and as strong as a piece of amber. Give me a breath like the fire you'll soon remember. Ooh. I'll be on a flight soon.
The next day.
So day 2 of filming with FPV drone.
Yes.
Today we're on a different spot, as you can see, an old railroad track. The tracks are not here, but it's like, so it's just the road, but it's kind of cool with these sides here. So we have just filmed a bunch with the GoPro, and now we're gonna get the FPV drone ready.
Yes.
Or Ludwig, you're gonna get the FPV drone ready.
Yeah, please.
We're just gonna go. I'm gonna drive along this little ravine, or what we should call it, and he's gonna fly like above here. Just, I think it's gonna be a cool shot. Then I got a few more locations we're gonna go to.
I glömde GoPro.
He just told me he forgot the GoPro to the action camera. Or to the drone. Kinda got a heart attack. Yeah, but he brought it.
Hur fort ska du köra?
I don't know. You see how fast it goes. And this is like English YouTube channel. You can't speak like yeah. So listen how silent it is.
Yeah, actually very, very silent out there.
Yeah.
Like the whole world is dead. Kind of.
Let's destroy the silence.
Today we're doing something I can post in our urban climbing.
New video here. Homeless camping under bridge. So this is an old railway bridge, so it should hold up.
Akta det. Det lät inte kul.
No, but you don't need to throw stuff. You don't know what's gonna come down here.
The whole bridge.
No, but other debris. Kinda nice bridge though.
Yeah.
I could live here.
Actually.
So this we need to go fishing here.
And this is really good shit.
It's kinda a nice spot. I've never been down to this spot. I guess we could go up on this side then.
Put you on a one-way flight. I can get you here tonight. You know I can change your life. First class, alright. Put you on a one-way flight. I can get you here tonight. You know I can change your life. First class, alright. Put you on a one-way flight. I can get you here tonight.